Yes, so Liverpool 2 and Watford 0. And we get Oga Piro will be like saying a very obungalistic Liverpool fan making tell us about how he see the game. Oga Piro, Liverpool don't go top of the Premier League table, but we know say Manchester City need to still play Burnley. Now, how you see Liverpool performance for this game today?
Today, now I will not read them. My read them to probably 50%, 50,
Hmm.
because they were average. They were
Okay.
average today. The whole of today they were average. They not come outside like the international break impact. They never really gel in stories very well. And our starting formation was not what I expected for our starting players. I mean, which I expect still at the start now is that. But at the end of the day, we get the result. That's what actually matters. But the performance was average. Was average.
All right, now no be lie, you talk because many people believe say Liverpool no play their best for this game, but one team where we take the no title winning side or team where they compete for the title. Now say for games like this where they no fit play their best, they see they get the result one way or the other. Another one Liverpool don't do for this game. They get the result one way or the other. And they currently the top of the Premier League table, even if say Manchester City need to play. But make I ask you about one player for Liverpool today. We still see in brilliance. Diego Jota, one player will be like say to some people when Liverpool sign and they don't look, I'm like say this one no be big, no be big name signing, but this player don't prove over time since he make the move from Wolverhampton Wanderers to Liverpool. Say him na big player and him they deliver when it matters most. Now, how you see Diego Jota performance for this game and how you see him in Liverpool career so far?
He has a big career with us. He has a nice. He's going to have a nice career with us. And
Mm.
for Jota today, Jota has been excellent. Jota those two matches that they play more. That boy is a footballer now. Like since when he
Yeah.
joined Liverpool, he has really stayed up. He want to really, if you not really count well, when Jota does it for us. When Mane and Salah go Nations Cup, he sustained us. We say
Not true.
we go we win or get draw some games. We win or we
Mm.
play everything. Thanks to Jota, he won or two goals when he score for matches. Has been helping us greatly. Today again, he come outside for the moment we need most. He appear again
Mm.
and give us that goal. So Jota has been a very very good player for us. I no get it follow when he say we no go say na him be our number 9. For now, it's our starting number 9. I know Firmino did beautiful today. You know, challenge just dey now. So I can see Firmino is
Yeah.
coming back to his previous best. But Jota is
Okay.
in fact is excellent as usual. So he has a good career with us and a good future going ahead.
All right, now no be lie. But make I ask you about the competition when they for this Liverpool midfield because we see today say Jordan Anderson Day, Thiago Alcantara, and Curtis Jones nice start for this midfield. And Thiago Alcantara, one person will be like say in game today I didn't impressed because I like the way he imposed himself for that midfield. But how you see because Fabinho can't come in for second half. Fabinho when that penalty happened, Fabinho nice scored the penalty and James Mina coming. But we know say players like Naby Keita also they for that midfield, Oxley Chamberlain they for that midfield. But how you see the competition for this Liverpool midfield currently this season?
It's good. That's the now you will lose side when you're ready to compete. When
Mm,
there's competition for place, that's when you are ready to compete. That's why you see all the little of Man City. Because this is the competition we have been looking for. Now we with the if you are not playing well, if you are going out, somebody that is playing well will come in. There's no way everybody no play well. Everybody there should be somebody that is ready to play that is
mm,
informed. So when there's competition for places, it helps the team, and that's why we are from 30 points behind Man City. We just in fact we don't talk right now with Man City playing the game right now. We don't know what will come out of that. I hope we are praying that Burnley can do us well. So the competition for place now we talk that midfield too. We need that competition. In fact, if they need to buy other midfield that join, we have to because I hear we are going to release this guy Origi and Minamino out from
mm.
that place. So I think we need players. We need players to see coming competition. When you have a good squad, that's when you can really fight for trophies. Very, 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 very important. When you have a good squad, fight for trophy. So Anderson, Thiago, and Fabio, they are our best three options for midfield anytime, any day. They are our best three options. Any other person can be entering, like doing stuff and the rest. But those three are our best team midfielders. So that's what we're doing.
All right, now, no be lie. Real quick, now I'm going to enter inside the player rating. You will rate the players who play for Liverpool today on a scale of 1 to 10. But make we start with Alisson Becker. We know say for this match, Alisson Becker not to get much to do because Watford not to attack like that. They not to play many shots on goals. But now wait till you go rate Alisson Becker on a scale of 1 to 10 for his performance for this game.
If he come out, if he tries, so I'll rate him 7.
Okay, you give him a 7. Then what you go rate Joe Gomez?
Gomez shocked me today. Gomez, even at the end of this, he almost spoiled him when he carried ball, go give Hernandez or something like that. When he carried ball, give him for midfield. So, but his performance today was brilliant. So, I'll give Gomez. I'm shocked. I'll give him 9.
What about Joel Matip?
Joel Matip is a class. So, for today, I'll give him 8.
Virgil van Dijk.
Virgil van Dijk takes
Robertson.
For me.
Okay. What about Robertson?
Robertson takes 7.
Curtis Jones.
Curtis Jones takes.
What do you rate Curtis Jones?
6.
Jordan Henderson, unko?
6.
Thiago Alcantara.
9.
9. Okay. Mohamed Salah.
6.
Roberto Firmino.
7.
Diego Jota.
8.
Okay, so now we say from your ratings now, Thiago Alcantara be your man of the match, even if we never go the substitute.
Yes, he's the man of the match.
Okay, now what about the substitute? Fabinho, Sadio Mane, and James Mina 90 minutes. But what about Fabinho, Sadio Mane? What do you rate them?
Fabinho came in and scored the goal, so I rate him 7 immediately.
Okay.
And protected the back line. Sadio Mane, I rate him 4.
Okay, but real quick before we go end this match reaction. I want to ask you about Mohamed Salah because this season we don't say with Egypt, he don't get to disappointment. One, a lose for the AFCON. Also, Egypt no qualify to go the World Cup. You think say any of these disappointment them, any of these competitions will not go where for Egypt national team go affect Salah performance for Liverpool this season?
It's a big disappointment. So it will affect any player when it's up. So I think it will affect him definitely. So I think he needs to pick up and know that there's nothing to play for in the FIFA rounds again. So we should focus on the club football. But definitely it's going to affect him. I just say some of his play today, and even when he come back from the Nations Cup, it has not been that Salah class. He came back. So, but definitely he will get over it. But it's going to affect him. It's affecting him already. 60% of his performance is affecting him already. So it's definitely going to affect him.
But make I ask you now as a Liverpool fan, you think say those encounters between Egypt and Senegal, Salah and Mane, will happen for Nations Cup? We also see them for World Cup qualifiers. You think say it go affect this players' relationship?
I think I for a long time now. As a Liverpool fan, I know that they have a slim relationship together. They are not the best friends in the room. Neither are the best friends for the football pitch. So it's all coming because of the Africa rivalry. You know, these two persons are what Africa they give best or second best. So what are we expecting? The friends not that high. So If I rate the friendship, it should be around 4 for the two of them. So it definitely affected us. At the time, this season, we felt like, we have last season a lot. At times this season, we felt like they were going to sell maybe money or so. So because of the rivalry they had last season. But we see that the coach was able to manage them and they started passing ball. It was the time they're not going to pass ball for each other. So now they started passing ball again and the rest. So this rivalry between the two of them still continues inside our club. But I think it's the club because you can see they are all trying to work hard to produce something. They are trying to work hard to produce. That's what it is. But the manager to be able to manage them more. He's doing a brilliant work to manage. So that's why I give my coach the kudos. He's doing a brilliant job. You know, there should have been chaos in the team because of what's going on.
All right, now no be lie, Oga Piro. Thank you for your time. To come talk about how you see this game after the game. We hope say you go enjoy the rest of your weekend, Oga Piro. And congratulations to you and all the rest of Bonga Liverpool fans.